So for the final step of creating the pro forma, we're going to wrap it up by building a dynamic construction budget first. And the dynamic construction budget is really meant to allow you to time your renovation and create dynamic renovation premium functionality. So we're going to go over exactly how we're going to do that, how we're going to time the renovation to really match up with when you would actually do your renovation and rehab of the property, and then how to create a functional relationship between your rehab budget and your renovation increases on your multifamily rents. And finally, we're going to wrap it all up with how to create a safety net that checks your work on autopilot. So this is going to be a check to make sure that the model is working correctly so that you can feel confident after you've created this model that your calculations are correct and that everything is working correctly and nothing is broken in the model. And this is really going to be helpful to bring everything together and to make sure that the model is working exactly the way that it should be.